Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download UPS Mobile and scan tracking numbers, beginner guide step by step clearly. To download the UPS Mobile app, start by unlocking your smartphone. Open the App Store if you use an iPhone, or the Google Play Store if you have an Android device. In the search bar, type UPS Mobile and press enter. Look for the official UPS Mobile app from UPS. Tap on the app to open its details page. Next, tap the download or install button. Once the app finishes downloading, open it from your. You may need to sign in or create a new UPS account to access all features. Now, let's scan tracking numbers. Locate the tracking number you want to scan. On the UPS Mobile app main screen, find the scan option. Tap on the scan icon, which usually looks like a camera. Hold your phone over the tracking number until it's detected. Once scanned, the app will display tracking information related to that number. Review the details provided, including current status and delivery date. If needed, you can repeat the scanning process for additional tracking numbers. Explore other features of the app like scheduling pickups or finding UPS locations. Enjoy seamless tracking and management of your deliveries with the UPS Mobile app. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.